So on the 13th of November I was around the Abington area to see a Class 40 charter service to Edinburgh. So first it's off to Bodbury Level Crossing near Evlenfoot to first see 4M43 early 12:20 turn up at 11:41, Mossend Euro Terminal to Daventry. This service would normally run from Grangemouth, however due to engineer works meant it had to start from Mossend on this day, 66-108 getting the honours. Then, minutes later, here came 6S36, 11:50, Dalston to Grangemouth tanks with 7806. Then it was into the Beattock summit to see what everyone wanted to see. 1Z31, 12:17, Crewe to Edinburgh with 40's 145 and 013, struggling up the incline, and 47828 on the rear for the ride. Then seen it at Wandel just after getting out of Abington Loop at 12:49. Then it was to the south of Crawford for 4M30, 13:49, Grangemouth to Daventry with 66-118. Then was 4 Echo 32, 12:16, Mossend PD Stirling to Huslet Tilcon loaded stone train with Cemex livery 66-780. Then was 1S52, the 1422 London Euston to Glasgow Central with the new at the time COP26 liveried Pendo. Then our last catch in sunlight would be 4MO1, 1535 Mossend PD Sterling to Carlisle Cement with 66789. Then our last catch of the day would be to Kingsknowe to see the turn of the 40s one last time. Under 1Z33, 1727, Edinburgh to Crewe with again 40s 145013 with 47828.